I'm not going to let the computer read it because in last video when I was reading Changing Seasons, the thing totally went blocked because I watch the videos after I make them, after they upload. So that's how I know. So it's not going to do to you. So we're going to go in our reading stadium again. Call it reading stadium. Now we're going to read Where in the World is Changing Colors? Changing Seasons. I live where let's see, weather. Okay, I just used that, and you won't be able to hear that. Weather changes during the year. It changes with each season. We have 4 seasons. We start with spring, then comes summer, then comes fall, then comes winter. It is spring, and the snow melts. It grows, gets warmer, and plants begin to grow. The days grow longer and the nights grow shorter. Wear my jacket. It is summer. It gets hot, and the plants grow bigger. The days are longer, and the nights are short. I wear my shorts. It is fall. It grows cooler, and the plants stop growing. The days grow shorter, and the nights grow longer. I wear my sweater. So that's all. You can read that book, so that's pretty neat. Reading room. Let's go back to my reading room. There's a bunch of different options. The weather has changed with each season. It got warm and warmer, warmer and warmer. The days got longer and longer. Then it got cooler and cooler. The days got shorter and shorter. Next, I will see spring again. The cycle will start all over. Good. Done. That's good. I'll give that a heart. Next.
What are the days like in summer?
What are the days like in summer? Summer longer. They are longer. How many seasons do we have? We have 4 seasons. 4. What helps the plants in fall? They get bigger. They get greener. They stop growing. See, they stop growing in fall. Stop growing and they start dying. They start dying. Which season comes after winter? Spring. Totally spring. Spring comes after winter.
Listen to this sentence.
My my favorite season is fall. It's called our fall. I'm gonna ask my mom. Mom, this one is a tough one. Will you help me?
Absolutely.
This one is a tough question.
Okay, so you're learning about the word fall. Okay, so it's asking you what kind of fall these sentences mean. So the sentence, it gets cooler in the fall. What do they mean by this fall? It gets cooler in the fall.
It gets colder. It says, I watch the
rain fall from the sky. Do you want to pause it? So it gets cooler in the fall. What is fall here? Is it like this egg is going to fall? Is that it?
No.
What is it talking about? What kind of fall?
It's talking about like the fall, like when the weather changes.
And what is that?
That's a season.
That's a season. So you're looking for a sentence that describes the season of fall, not falling like when you drop something.
Mom, those scissors aren't supposed to.
So, which one of these sentences is using fall as a season instead of something being dropped?
This says, I watched the rain fall down the sky.
Is that a season or is that something falling?
Falling.
Okay. Which one of these sentences is fall as a season?
This one, because this one says, did you fall off your bike?
Which is a fall, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So you're going to go with A?
Yeah,
Let's see what happens.
Super!
What? Double high five. Yes.
They probably couldn't hear, like, the computer noises.
Let's click next.
Next.
5 out of 5. Awesome sauce.
I really just put that one as my favorite.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for doing some of Al's schoolwork with her, and I hope it's helping you learn and you enjoy your schoolwork as well.
And remember, sign up, but don't go on my account.
Don't go on Val's account. Make your own, and have a great day.
And make sure you read so many books that you learn how to read and you become someone like me.
Woo! Love. Bye.
Love, love, love.